Click on the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon to see our video.
Everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to do unboxing of OnePlus 60 Mirror Black, 128GB RAM, 128GB ROM and 6GB RAM, which I have recently purchased for the amount of 37,999 from Amazon store, including some accessories like tempered glass and the back cover. And the mobile is this one. This is the OnePlus 60. OnePlus community and the very good packaging and everything, and we'll soon unbox this item and show you, so stay tuned to this video. So this is the mobile which we are going to do unbox. So this is the OnePlus 60 Mirror Black, 128GB ROM, that is internal, and 6GB RAM, and it has a very good features of and a very interesting and a very attractive display with notch display. It has a notch display. So once we unbox this item, see, we can see this, the shining mirror black OnePlus 60 is in our hand. You can see in the video, and you can see the shiningness of the mobile which you have taken recently from the box. Apart from this, we'll see what does the box contain. So let's go. It has a very good packaging. As you can see, I'm trying to pull out all those accessories, and this is not a cover, just a protective case which is given in the box so that it can protect the phone. And this is the charger, that is dash charger, and here is a connector inside it, and here you can have the dash charging, that is 5V. This is the dash charging. And this is not a cover which I'm trying to pull out again and again. Okay. So this is the back cover, transparent, not a transparent, it is like a blacky transparent back cover for the OnePlus, given from the company side. And this is the Type-C cable. You can see Type-C cable, which is generally coming in almost all the phones. And this is the connector. If you have a headphone of 3.5mm jack, so you have to connect to this. And this is the charger, which is 5V dash charging, so you'll be able to charge your phone within next 15 to 20 minutes. 5V ampere. This is not clever, this is not so zoomable, so it is not able to see. And apart from this, these are the user manuals, and these are the boxes. And this is not a cover. Again, I'm trying to pull it again and again, but this is not a cover. And this is the box, how it looks like. So I will put back the charger, and I will keep all the accessories, including the connector and the Type-C cable, and including the user manual and the back cover. And this is the mobile which we have been waiting for a long time, and this we have purchased for one of our senior managers, sir, and he is desperately waiting for his mobile. I will call him in the evening so that he can receive his mobile, and I asked him to do the unboxing of this particular item. And this is the expensive unboxing of our YouTube channel of my Sunny Patel ###. And you can see the look of the mobile. It has a silent switch on like an iPhone on the right hand side, and power volume on, that is decrease, increase and decrease on the left hand side, and triple slot of the SIM. And here I can't find any ejector tool. And this we have with the ejector, SIM ejector. We are pulling out the slots, and it has a hybrid slot. And not a hybrid slot, it is a 2 slot for the 2 nano SIMs, as it has already 128GB internal, so no need to put an external that is memory, no need of that. So now we'll switch on the cell phone, and you can see the OnePlus logo on the screen, and you can also see the symbol of fingerprint on the top below of the screen. And you will be able to unlock the phone with the screen lock This is the feature which is coming in all in many of the phones nowadays, in the high-end phones like Vivo V11 Pro and many other. I have used it. So we'll try to set up this phone as a new one. So I'm skipping everything. I don't want to set anything. The fingerprint of this mobile is really very great. I have tested it, and apart from this, the testing, also the fingerprint and the face unlock is really works great. It's cool one mobile, and as you can touch the mobile and you will have in your hand, you'll feel like you are in a heaven. So here we have completely set up all the requirements of the phone, and this is the layout of the phone of the settings which we can see. And I have took some of the photos which is really very great, and it has a screen is optic AMOLED 6.41 inch display. It has a 16 plus 20 MP dual camera. The processor CPU is a Snapdragon 845, and the 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Okay, it is Android version is 9, and all the features I have given. And if you want some further information, you can Google it, and you can see on the Amazon or many other store. Of unboxing of the OnePlus 60. If you like this video, so please subscribe our channel. If you like it more, please press the like button, and if you want to see the further video of same type of technical field and many more, so press the bell icon to see the video at an earliest rate when I upload as soon as possible. So thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.